So there was a buy and sell group on social media, and I put my hand up for a guitar that was being offered. It was in 2 pieces and it was covered in stickers and a bit of a mess. This is it. It's a Peavey Raptor Plus, and I put some acoustic strings on it, but it seems to work. And then I made a beat on using my looper that sounded kind of cool.